Hello everyone, I am Sarthak Wag. In this video, we will talk about the fixed order quantity system, an important inventory management method. It helps a business maintain the right amount of the stock and avoid the running out of the products. What is the fixed order quantity? The fixed order quantity system means that a company orders the same amount of the stock every time in the inventory reaches a certain level. This level is called as the reorder point. Example, if a store order 100 units of the product every time the stock falls to 50 units, this is the fixed order quantity system. How does it works? Set a fixed quantity, decide the exact amount to order each time. Second point, define the reorder point. This is minimum stock level that triggers a new order. Third one is a place the order. When the stock reaches the reorder point, a fixed quantity is ordered. Formula EOQ, economic order quantity, is often used to be decided the best order quantity. D stands for the demand rates, S stands for the ordering cost, and S stands for the holding cost. Advantages of the fixed order quantity is the consistency inventory. The consistency inventory means a stock replenishing regularly, reducing the risk of the stock bursts. Second one is a better control. Easy to manage and inventory with the predictable order size. Cost efficiency can help the minimize the total inventory cost. Disadvantages of the fixed order quantity: the risk outstocking, fixed cost, and inflexibility. Risk of outstocking means the ordering a fixed amount may lead to excess inventory. Second one is the fixed cost. Ordering cost remaining the constant even if the demand change. Inflexibility, not suitable for items with the fluctuating demand. When to use this system? The best for the stable demand products, and second one is the useful when ordering cost and holding the cost are predictable. To the sum of the fixed order quantity system helps the maintain the consistent stock level and improves the inventory control. However, the business should monitor the demand carefully to avoid the overstocking or the understocking. Maintenance consistent stock level. Ensure that the stock replenishing at the right time. Prevents stock bursts by ordering when the inventory reaches the reorder point. Reduces stockouts and delay. Avoid the situation where the items are unavailable. Ensure smooth operations and keep the customer happy. Example, an e-commerce company avoids the delay by maintaining regularly stock replenishment. Third one is the improvement inventory control. It helps to business monitor inventory easily. Since the order size is fixed, it simplifies inventory management. Example, a warehouse manager knows exactly how much stock to expect and when. Minimizing order cost. Minimizing order cost is the ordering a fixed quantity reduce the time and cost spent on frequent reordering. It helps to maintain a balance between the ordering and holding cost. Example, a manufacturer save a cost by placing bulk orders at the regular intervals. Fifth one is the best for the predictable demand. It helps to suitable for the products with the suitable or predictable demands pattern. It helps to make it easier for the forecast and plan inventory. Example, a grocery stores use the methods for the products with the consistent sales like rice or flour.